Better than alcohol, smoking and drinking alcohol.
Hey guys, so good afternoon or good evening. It's supposed to be 1 o'clock. I didn't vlog this morning, but I am tired. Nala had a stuffy nose last night, so she was tossing and turning a lot, so that kept me up. But she went to school because she still has a lot of energy and she was up for it. So, and they didn't call me, so I guess she's fine. Gave her a little medicine for her nose. It's probably her allergies just acting up. But today I'm about to go. I didn't even tell you guys that I picked up my cap and gown. So graduation is coming up. So today I'm gonna go look for some. I'm gonna go to Michael's so I can get some stuff to decorate my graduation cap, and I'm gonna try to go look for graduation dress because I have. Well, I'm going to a graduation toast this Friday, and I have a dress for that. But I need something for graduation, and I'm thinking to go with red or purple because school colors. So, you know, try to keep it like that. Hope y'all know I did not like my school. I might do a video on my experience at LIM college. Comment below if you guys think I should do that. Let me know if I should let you guys know about my experience at LIM. But yeah, I'm gonna go do all of that today, and right now I'm not doing anything. I just ate breakfast. I had a bagel and some eggs, and that's really it. So I'm gonna show you guys my cap and gown. I'm so excited because I'm finally, well, I graduated in December, but I'm finally walking, so it's becoming more real. I'm so happy. Like, I'm really so happy to get out of that school. Like, I want to go back to school for nursing, but like, I knew that was the route I should have went when I was in high school because I knew I wanted to be a nurse. But part of me, I love fashion. I went to fashion high school, so I always felt like, oh, okay, I love fashion. I'm gonna keep doing fashion. I'm gonna be a fashion buyer, blah blah blah. And then once I got to college for fashion, I still had that dream. But once I started doing internships and reality kicked in, I had a daughter, I realized like this fashion thing might not work. But if I do a video, I'll go more into detail. But I'm happy to be out of that school, and I want to go to school for nursing. Comment below if you guys could help me out with that. Like, if you guys went a different route when you guys graduated. But yeah, I want to do the accelerated program because in 2 years you get a bachelor's, because I already have a bachelor's, but not a lot of school even has that program. So I don't know if I should just sign up as like a transfer freshman. I'm so lost. I need to like go to a school and talk to them because I applied, like I said before in another video, I applied to NYU twice and I got turned down, and I still want to be a nurse. So, but I need to look into more different schools. I saw Columbia, Pace, what else? Columbia, Pace. Those are only 2 I can remember right now that has the accelerated nursing program. But what do you guys think? Should I just go and do the full freshman route all over again? Another 4 years or 3 years since I already have a degree? Who knows? But talk to you, well, not talk to you guys later. Well, I'm about to show you guys my cap and gown and stuff. So excited. And then we'll see what the rest of the day has in store for me and you. So, hold on.
Every girl just start to wine pan a man, no look back at him. Wine pan a man, no look back at y'all. Just wine pan a man, no look back at him. Everybody know every time we touch down. Wine pan a man, no look back at him. Wine pan a man, no look back at him. Just wine pan a man.
He wasn't just down. Look, look.
So what are we coming here for?
So I'm getting something to decorate my graduation cap. So I'm gonna do a glittery
they said we'll be there. They said we're getting them.
And do something like this.
Okay, so yeah, I like this idea.
Okay.
So it's probably like 3 days, right? Let's see. Maybe yeah, maybe like one more. Do the black back.
That's actually cute.
Yeah, I could just do something like that. Yeah. And then I should do a blue one and like this other. Yeah, or you can do a different color. Okay, yeah, let's do it.
I have this one now. I don't got this one now.
Okay. The yellow one. Yeah, next to it.
Unless I go back to the one I did.
And then I could even do green. Here, like a pink. Get a picture. It's showing hot pink. Yeah. Yeah, right? Then you probably need another round, right? Yeah. Oh, but I don't have any more. So then we'd have to change some like this. It's gonna be too much?
I mean, that's a lot of colors, but I think it's still cute.
Oh, yeah.
And you kind of want to stand out. So, like, I want my hat to stand out. I want y'all to be at the top looking down and be like, oh, there she go right there. But, like, that's how bright I want
Like a green.
But yeah, I might just get both and see how I like it. This one is nice.
Yeah, that blue is gonna stand out.
This blue, right?
But that's not the school colors, are is it?
Like, you don't have to just put it in. You can choose something.
Oh, well then, I probably choose to be different. Cause you are different.
You don't like this one there?
Yeah, that was cute.
I like the paper stick.
Oh.
Like, I feel like this one might be too plain. Like, I think I need, like, the glitter. Like, I might get these two, the blue or the thing, and see which one I like. What do you think?
You know, I just wanted like the one.
Yeah. I'm gonna get this. And I think I'm gonna get a purple. Let's see what it looks like.
You know what? Unless I got one that's like silver, like, and I could put the computer thing behind it. Like, I got multiple purples. Like a silver, like just like a paper like this, but these are the border. Oh, okay. Just like white. Yeah. I get all printed out.
Now I feel like making it, like putting, because you could just try to put sequins on top.
Yeah.
We gotta go to like the watch behind you.
Sorry.
We need to go to the lettering area. And I need to find her. You know what I mean though, with this one though, you're not even gonna see it.
They're too big?
They might end up being too big.
Too big. That one? I don't know how many of these that I need. No.
Maybe like that whole pack right there. Oh no, those are smaller than those.
That one is big enough? Yeah, those are small. That's a lot of $2.99.
By 10.
This is like if I buy all these.
Add a little something extra to your look with new trends in jewelry like stacked bracelets, freshwater pearls, and IMOVIE. Use silver accents to add punchy sparkle to bracelets before you stride a delicate or dramatic twist with freshwater pearls or natural stones.
15 times 4
Plus your
is
favorite
60.
essential oil adds subtle aromatherapy to a dramatic pendant
24,
necklace.
48.
Try out Metal Stamping's new
Maybe we only
shapes
need
and
like 4.
surfaces, including
Mhm.
leather. Step up your summer style and check out all the new looks in the jewelry aisle today.
What else? What are you laughing at?
He's like, why are you so far away? But I'm trying to get the
Like,
whole.
you don't need to catch the whole thing. Why you want to catch the whole thing?
Yeah, I just wanted to catch your whole body.
Yeah, that's because you want to do that. You could catch me right here. Vlogs are never the whole body. They be like up to here. I got one of these, but who needs all of that to roll out? That's the same. Pretty much the same colors. I need letters. I want foam ones, like the one that's kind of messed up.
Like thick ones?
Yeah, thick ones. These are the thicker ones. I don't know how they're gonna work on me.
You don't like these?
No. These ones,
Silver with the blue is not bad.
no, you know me, I like gold.
What about the gold ones there right there?
These?
On the bottom, yeah.
Too flat. Oh, you mean these? These ones flat too. Oh, these ones. These are smaller than that. Probably right here, but they're probably behind other stuff. Cause this one was right here. And look, there's no more now. I think I have to like What I told you. Right there. I think I have bigger size. I feel like gold will stand out more. I wish they had it in like, but then again, that might not fit. This with Nala's picture on it. Might not fit. I wish they had like, maybe this size. I have these at home though, that I did my thing board with.
Please try it, see what happens.
Yeah. Alright, what else do I need? I think I need like 3. I'm trying to see if I can find that that Pinterest thing I saw that showed me every item I needed. I feel empty. Why are you so far? You know you look at the screen.
Because I know you're in it.
Now leaving Michael's, and I got my stuff for my graduation cap, so now we're gonna head to Soho to get a graduation outfit, and that's it. Talk to you later. Hi, could I have a rainbow sprinkle cone, please? I wonder how much it is. If it's, well, I don't know how much it is in the city. I know in Brooklyn it's $2. We gonna see. Ooh, her purple hair is nice. How much? 3. Oh, you see. Thank you.
So you're enjoying this cone?
Good morning, you guys. Well, I don't know what time it is, but hi. Well, this morning I had a crazy morning. I don't want to even get into it, but yeah. Anyways, I'm about to now work on my graduation cap design I'm trying to do. I want to start it early so it could dry and be done, and then I don't got to worry about it being messed up or anything like that. But I started last night, and I just put down like the background. I didn't even go with the colors I wanted to originally go with. I wanted to do purple or red to go with the school colors. Then I saw this paper, and I was like, oh, it's so cute, I had to do it. So I'm gonna show you guys.
Special type of wine on this sweet occasion, so special every time.
Hey you guys, so I finished my graduation cap. I didn't film it because Nala was helping me and made me mess up and everything. I had to take stuff off and put it over, so I wasn't in the mood. But I like how it came out. The colors definitely nice. I'm gonna go back to Michael's and get more of these pearls, and I'm gonna put it around her picture. And I think I'm gonna get one of those mini diplomas and put it right here. I think it came out really cute. Ain't my baby a model though? Look at her, look at her. But I really like how it came out. And it glitters. You're gonna see me from miles away, y'all. So I'm about to go eat. I didn't eat. I'm still sick. I'm about to just relax. I'll talk to you guys later.
Still angles. Bad, that girl that she bad. I am my wife, my nigga, she gone. Better than alcohol, smoking and drinking alcohol. Bad, that girl that she bad. I am my wife, my nigga, she gone. Better than alcohol, smoking and drinking alcohol. No girl, She ain't better than. She ain't ever been through a bagger man. She can still roll Dixie chicken shop with me. She don't care about no hacker son.